The wrist control kit can be added to provide anti-supination or pronation control during use. Unfasten strap number 3 and lift up the liner. Place the female end of the screws into the slots on the cuff. Install the arm bar slot over the screws. Position and loosely tighten the male end of the screws. Apply the brace. Position the arm bar to ensure the correct length and wrist position. Then tighten the screws securely. Tighten strap number 3, located near the wrist, by sliding the strap through the slot and securing the hook and loop tab.